then the household sector will likely be hit hard, and that will have a spillover effect on the economy as well, to the downside, because household consumption occupies 70% of the GDP of the economy. Well, across the sectors that we are looking at in terms of the, well, agriculture is one. It's still highly vulnerable, especially that the country has been facing climate risk or inclement weather. And that is, again, another downside risk to our growth outlook for this year. As we have seen over the past 2 years, especially back in 2024, when we had both an El Nino and La Nina phenomenon, so that crippled the agricultural performance. Also, you can look at in the case of the manufacturing sector.
Yes.
The manufacturing sector has been facing headwinds partly coming from abroad. Note that the manufacturing sector, a large chunk of it, in terms of its exports, would come from electronics. And electronics sector is facing headwinds from abroad in terms of high tariffs.